When the world shut down, Voltage Control faced an unprecedented challenge: how to continue their mission of transforming learning and leadership in a virtual world. The pandemic forced them to pivot from in-person gatherings to a fully online platform, pushing them to explore new ways to engage their community. After extensive research, they chose LearnWorlds, a platform that offered the flexibility of both synchronous and asynchronous learning. The key feature that stood out was the mobile app, allowing learners to access courses anytime, anywhere, and at their own pace. This mobile capability was crucial in expanding their audience, making learning more accessible and convenient for a diverse range of students. Voltage Control's online transformation led to phenomenal success, with their facilitator community growing to over 3,000 members. Their free facilitation lab now hosts 50 to 80 members weekly, fostering a thriving learning community. With 15 courses available and new ones added regularly, Voltage Control continues to innovate and expand its offerings. Founder Douglas Ferguson emphasizes the importance of living the values you teach, ensuring that methods and teachings become standard practices. Voltage Control's journey highlights the power of human-centered design, mobile accessibility, and community building in creating transformative educational experiences.